This is now the final drawing of the Farsetia linearis, and I added in another stem on this side because I was looking wasn't quite looking right, so I felt another one could go in there. And also showing the leaf with the involute or inrolled margin of the leaf again, and it's very hairy, to help reduce moisture loss in the desert. So this is going across the dissections, and the flowers at ×10, and the stamens and gynoecium. Actually, the stamens are ×10. The gynoecium, this detail here, is much bigger, ×20, I think. Petals ×10. And what's interesting here on the stem is it's very hairy, and the hairs are oppressed, which means they sit closely to the stem, and medifixed. And this is ×60 to show the detail of the hair, which means it's fixed in the middle. So again, all to help prevent moisture loss. So this is the drawing of the little desert endangered plant Farsetia linearis going to a new home in Sharjah. Fabulous little flowers. Tiny, tiny little white ones again. But yeah, great to work on under the microscope. So also in conjunction with the black and white is the colour of the Farsetia, which I thought was a very boring little plant until I put it under the microscope, and it's actually rather beautiful. So this is ×10, and this is going in conjunction with the line drawing. So great, off to a new home. Down here to the pods, and just creeping inside the little winged pods in underneath, how they split, and showing them here. So it's actually a rather beautiful little plant, endangered in the deserts in Sharjah. Beautiful Farsetia.